Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to activate data saving mode. How to activate data saving mode on Google Meet. Now the first thing you gotta do is open up the app, the Google Meet app. Now the next thing you're gonna do is click on the three lines at the top left corner over here. Then you have to click on settings. You click on calling settings because you have 4 options there. Now it opens up 4 options. We have calling accounts, in-call settings, message settings, and notifications. You click on in-call settings. Now you look at it, you have 5 options now. Knock for the device, low light mode, mirror mode, moments, data saving mode. Now you can see that this is where you turn it on, which means data saving mode is on. It will help me to adjust my video quality to the limit data usage. I can also turn it off or turn it on. That depends on me. The next way to help you activate data saving mode, back from in-call settings, go back to normal settings, click on meeting settings, then you all the way down. Here you see we have send more diagnostic information, limit data usage. So click on limit data usage. This will help you to adjust your call quality to save data. The first option helps you activate your video quality to save data. This option helps you activate your call quality to save data. This way you are saving data on both your call and your video. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.